Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your press-on set. These have been on me for a week. I could honestly go longer, but I'm tired of the design. I want to switch it up because I have nothing else to do in this quarantine. So let's get right into it. The 4 things that I recommend you having is a warm bowl of water, any type of pusher, whether it be an orange wood stick that comes with your nail kits, or a metal cuticle pusher, a cuticle oil pen or any type of cuticle oil to make the nail loosen up a bit more because of the moisture. And I'm going to add a little bit of dish soap into my water to add a little bit moisture that way so the nails come off easier. First, let's add some dish soap into the bowl. Using my cuticle pen, I'm really going to get my nails very oiled up around the edges on the cuticles. All around. Then you can go ahead and just dip your whole hand into the bowl and sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. I like to go in with my cuticle pusher and go to the sides first. So I get that side. Go ahead and work this side. If it's still feeling pretty snug, you can soak a little bit longer. You don't want to force it off if you don't have to. Eventually, they'll be loose enough to just come right off. So this side's giving me some trouble. Let's go back to this side. Oh, well, you don't want to lose your nail. So there's one down. Down the little turd. There he is. No damage to the nail. Set that aside. After you soak the rest a little bit longer, you should be able to, oop, that one just flew off. Pop the other ones right off. And we're gonna buff these nails. Using any buffer, you just kind of want to tend to your natural nails by giving them a little buff so they don't look as poopy. I just wanted to let you guys know that the set that I had on before this, I removed incorrectly. They were acrylics, so my nails aren't in the best shape. That's what stress will do to you. Which is not something I recommend doing. You should always get a proper soak off when you have any nail enhancements on. So your nails are removed. Make sure to watch my other video on how to prep your nails to apply a new press-on set. And don't forget your cuticle oil. This is going to help your nails stay hydrated and not look so crusty. Give it a good rub in. And for my nails already being in bad shape, they don't look too bad. Also, real quick, I just want to show you guys the fronts and the backs of these nails after being removed. They can be reused, which is what makes these nails so awesome. You have your own custom set nobody else has. They're reusable, collectible, and exclusive. Here is the backs of those nails I just shown you. You'll see a little bit of glue residue in them. You can reapply them with the glue residue in. I suggest, if you really want to start wearing press-on nails, to purchase a drill. You can get cheap ones for like $20 on Amazon, and you can just buff the back of them with your drill, and voila, they'll be brand and spanking new. Always make sure when you remove your nails to wipe the backs with alcohol to get rid of all that moisture you added when removing the nails. So when you use them again, they adhere correctly. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later.
It's the kind of beat that go